Hello listeners, I'm thrilled to show you today another AudioQuest power product, the Niagara 1200. Let's start unpacking. I hear you ask, a power conditioner, does it matter? Does it make any difference in the sound? Well, my friends, it makes a difference. It makes a huge difference. The more silenced the power, the better the quality of your amplifier, streamer, and all your gear hooked up to your hi-fi system. The rear side of the Niagara, here we have a C15 input, which gives you the possibility to hook up any power cable you like. Next to that we have two high current outputs for your amplifiers, power amplifiers, and next to that 5 filtered outputs for your streaming, your DACs, your CD players, turntable, room core, etc. Unfortunately, I can't give you an idea of the sound difference between a system with or without a Niagara power supply. But here in our premises in Hilversum at the Borneolaan 25, we're gonna hook it up and give our customers the idea of the difference between and without the Niagara product. Thanks for watching.